Here pala, when you go down sa first floor, meron kang tinatawag na Magic Food Point. So, it's parang food court. So, how it works here is magbabayad ka. For example, 1,000 baht. Tapos, may parang card ka. Yun yung card na ikakonsume mo. Tapos, after eating, ang daming choices ay masarap yung food. Then, after eating, you return the card to them and then they will reimburse you. So, ganun kadala. Kailangan talaga may baht ka. This is what we ordered here at Magic Coffee Shop. 170 pesos daw. Mas mura pa sa atin. It really tastes good. Sarap. Yum. Masarap. Sarap naman siya. Tsaka very reasonable. Here lang, pagbaba mo sa level 1 sa first floor where the transport area is. Hi! Hi from my husband. Here pala, when you go down sa first floor, meron kang tinatawag na Magic Food Point. So, it's parang